Trai
You see, the Lord
usungobang igibreu kibubuat yu kibakendo.
loves those who follow Him,
Masisiyan
denying themselves.
mang ikendo ang try latip ibn le akum non tagaji imjogi.
Because once we deny ourselves and follow Him, He knows for us.
Amen.
Amen.
Utip yagi baro.
He knows everything.
Naman nga tip yaga gaway.
Because this is what I know for
Wo bulay
sure.
habneng udan yaga ying shadja ka babes ni babes tam ki cook ki babes na ki babes tam.
That God in heaven has the best of the kitchen and the best of the cooks.
Amen.
Amen.
Habneng nga tip bakadan ka bang ka bahetam.
And I know that in heaven there is the biggest bank.
Nga tip bangadon yaga ta ka babes tam habneng yaga ay ka banganga don kamla dang labot da ka banga kendo you try ka ta ka beneng ka plin na ka bentajong
And the best is saved up for us in heaven when we truly follow the Lord.
Bagi kon Israel kiya ya keriklau.
When the Israelites went through the wilderness,
Kila tangan.
they were hungry.
Ublay hukum iki angel shadjing bam.
God had commanded the angels to prepare food for them,
Besan riu lakngut malagas ngi ani bun kam ki angel.
to feed these 6 lakhs of people there in the wilderness, and the angels were
But
kept
kita ki
busy.
ingredient habneng dan rahane khando.
And the ingredient found in heaven is not found in
Today
here
ta
on
bagi
earth.
shat kini ki angel ki pa ayu tau kapu kini ki Israel ki yo tau kapu ki yang mana kay gane ki paji menuru.
That is why when food was sent to them from heaven, they looked up to this manna and they said, "What is this?"
Sabos na mo blay besai ki klemfil si skiro.
And 40 years God fed them. Not even one day did they go
Namar ka
hungry.
kitchen habneng kam Kyrduh ya kajing bam.
Because the kitchen in heaven did not go out of food.
Kayeng sadja kayay shat be ya kita ki bamdan ja.
And they kept on cooking there in the kitchen for those who did not have
Ta ki
food.
babut you try ki nam Kyrduh ya ka ja na ki Kyrduh ya ka do.
So those who follow the Lord will never lack food or meat.
Amen.
Amen.